Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dami, and today I'm coming to you with my first impressions on the Kathleen Lights Colourpop collaboration. They came out with some loose pigment powders. They are called the Zodiac Loose Pigment Collection. This is how it looks. It comes with a little book on the inside, a little pamphlet, and it just basically tells you about the colors and the birthdays that are associated with the color, you know, that she chose. And then it comes with these beautiful colors. I'm gonna show you on my hand how the colors look, but this is just how they look out the box. And I'm barefaced because I want to see how well it comes out on the eye. So if you want to see more of what these colors entail, stay tuned till the end. Okay, you guys, I just had to do a swatch for you guys, so you guys can see exactly what the colors look like. So the first one I'm showing you is called the Ram, and it's like an orange color with gold. And the second color is the green color. It's called the Bull. Pretty color. And then the third color, so this one right here, is called the Twins. I'm guessing the twins are Geminis. I'm not so sure. And then that, it's kind of like a baby blue, and that one is called the Crab. And then that gold one right there is called the Lion. The silver one is called the Maiden, and then right after that it's called the Scales. The one underneath, that is the Scorpion. The one right after that is called the Archer. The other one is called the Goat. That blue one is the Water Bearer. It matches his name. And then the last one is called the Fish. Kind of looks like a scale, so that one works too. And you have some that's more pigmented than some. Okay guys, so I came a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. So I've already done my eyebrows so far, and now I'm gonna be just starting on my eyes. I already started on my eyes with I use the Perception Shayla collaboration with Colourpop. I use this, and I've already started with, let me see if it will focus. I've already started with this color right here on my eyes so far. And I did put concealer to base my eyelids. The orange is called Thick. And no, this is not sponsored by Colourpop, you guys. I just really like Colourpop. I'm kind of bringing it up. And then I'm gonna go into, oh, I didn't even know I had another one with Kathleen Lights, but I'm gonna go into Dream Street by Kathleen Lights, and I'm gonna use the Sweet Dreams color right here over the orange that I just applied. Perception palette, I'm gonna use this brown color right here. It's called Played Out. I'm gonna use it in the crease of my eyes. Then going to apply Unbothered, this color, on my eyelid. I'm then going to go into the Dream Street palette, and then I'm going to use the Mermaid Boy, and that's its color. Using the same brush. Remember, your girl is not a makeup artist, but she out here trying, you know. And I chose to use it's called the Mermaid. Just use this pigment, and I'm gonna put it over the, you can say, gold looking color I just did. I think I should use this one. I'm not so sure. Let's see. Either that one or no, it's gonna be that one. This one stuck up to me. And Colourpop did send me a free brush with the collection. They sent me a free brush, which was this brush right here. It is the Colourpop E3. And this is what it looks like. I already dipped it. Oh, sorry. And then they did send me a Colourpop All Star Matte Blur Face Setting Spray. and this is what it looks like. So that's it in the box, and how big it is. So it is 1 fluid ounce. So I think it's a pretty good size for getting something as big as this with the collection. I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I did dampen the brush, so let's see how it applies. I did end up using the Colourpop eyeshadow palette, sorry, and I did use the black color. It's called Rule Breaker, sorry, it's called Rule Breaker, and I used that in the outer corner of my eyes just with the angled brush. And then now I'm gonna use the smudger and I'm gonna smudge. Smudge away. How do you guys think it looks so far? Does it look good? Is it worth the money? And I'm gonna use the Revlon Color Stay Skinny eyeliner. Hi guys, so yes, this is the finished look. Let me show you up close and personal. One sec. I think I did a pretty good job. I finished off by using Becca primer. Here it is. I finished off using this to prime my face. It is the Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. It is pretty good, you guys. If you have oily skin, I highly recommend this. It has worked wonders. I also used the Too Faced foundation. Let me come a little closer so you can see. I used the Too Faced foundation. For me, I use the what is it? Mahogany. So this is what I use on my face with This is a beauty blender. It's not really a beauty blender. This is a sponge that I bought from Walmart. It's pretty good, spongy. Once you get it done, it works wonders. And I use the Sephora concealer. This one I used Truffle to contour my jawline and my nose and a little bit on my forehead. And I use the Sephora cream caramel under my eyes to highlight. And then I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I use this with the damped sponge, and I just put it on top of the concealer to set the concealer. I didn't use any powder, like blending powder. I didn't use any of that. I didn't even use setting spray, to be honest. I'm gonna try to see how well this setting spray works, the one that I got from Colourpop. Let's see. So it is supposed to be matte and blur any imperfections, I'm guessing. So yeah, that's pretty much all I use. And I use some lip gloss on my lips from Michael Kors. I don't remember the name. Yeah, and that's the finished look, you guys. If you enjoyed the video and if you like the way the eyes turned out, I feel like if you can buy them separately, it might work out best, because not all the colors are as great, and some of them look pretty similar than others. I feel like the gold one you can get pretty much anywhere, but the others are unique. I love the blue. The blue is so pretty. The water bearer, it is so pretty. Look at that color, you guys. Let me see. Isn't that pretty? It is so pretty. I really love this color. I'm gonna try to see what I can do to incorporate this in another look coming soon. So this is something I really love. I love this. I love this. This is called the Water Bearer. This is really cute, and I love this one. This one is called the Ram. The Ram? Yeah, this one is pretty good. Pretty cute too. Yeah, I love this one. So yeah, let me know how you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, subscribe, you know. So if you enjoy, thank you again. Bye.